What's up, guys? It's Mo, and today I have for you a video all about my hobonichi cousin. I got this in the mail, and I have created a sticker kit for this guy, and it has a bunch of different stuff in this like one tiny little planner. There's like a year at a glance with monthlies, there's like a monthly spread, there's weeks, there's days that I'm flipping through right now. So there's a lot in this really thin looking planner. I did not know, I guess, how thin this was going to be. I thought it would be a little bit more thicker, but the paper is really thin, so that means you can stack a lot of paper in there. But yeah, so I have made a kit for this Hobonichi cousin. The kit will serve both for the weekly and the monthly layout, and the kit I made is inspired by Harry Potter because we all know we go back to Hogwarts on September 1st. And first things first, I'm going to leave some links down below for some organizations that benefit trans individuals. Because trans women are women, trans men are men, and we need to support those trans individuals. So I'll leave some links to some organizations that I've donated to before, and so that you can show your support as well for trans individuals. So I'm just starting off laying down this washi, and I held a thumbs up there because this washi tape or bottom washi fits perfectly. It's also designed to go into the monthly layout. Most of the stuff, I would say, I'm going to say like 90% of the stuff of these like stickers on here can go both in the monthly and the weekly layout. There's multiple different strips of washi in this template that you can use for the top, like under the dates, for the bottom washi on your weekly, bottom washi on your monthly layout, and it fits perfectly. I'm so happy that I got it to fit perfectly the first try. So now I'm just going to put down the little dates, the days of the week. I made them a little flag, and in my interpretation, I guess, of this template, I decided to use a background like the washi tape that I used for the bottom. I decided to use as the background for the, for these flags. Instead of using a solid color, what I'm getting at is instead of using a solid color, I used a pattern. So these fit perfectly here as well. You can also put them on the monthly layout. They probably won't look as great on the monthly layout, but you could also use one of these strips of washi to just write your dates on before you print it, so you can customize these. I'm also showing you that I included 7 little circles that you could use to make your own little icons, or you could use them to make your dates for your weekly. So, and there's 7 little dots, so that means that you can, customize this template to be for whatever day or whatever week you're using it for. There's also a big square, as you saw me put down, that will fit over that, I guess, where it says the month or the week that you're in. There's also 7 glitter header kind of things included. We have another strip of washi that goes all the way across the 3 columns. Again, this will fit in the weekly across of your columns and the monthly across your columns. This is the one that you could probably use to write down like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday on it, and then customize that part of it, and then lay that down in your monthly, so that you customize your days, if that makes sense. And so all of the little appointment boxes or whatnot fit perfectly in the columns. This little appointment box fits perfectly between the date and the start of the hourly. So if you wanted to mark, I don't know, a workout or an appointment, you would probably put that on like the hourly part. But I don't know, something that's important that you wanted to mark at the top of a day, you could. I can't really see what I'm putting down here because I'm recording this voiceover on my phone, but there is another square or rectangle that fits perfectly to cover up this date of the monthly. And again, I have used a background like pattern instead of a color. All of these little boxes, you can change patterns, colors, whatever you want to do. So here I go in to put down the like glitter headers that I have. There are 7 little designs, or I guess rectangles in this template that you could use to create your own headers. You could write today, to do, remember on it, or you could turn them into glitter headers like I've done here. whatever. I mean, this template, once you get the template, it's completely customizable. You know, you want to use a solid color instead of, you know, a pattern for washi or something, do that. You want to use these headers instead of glitter headers, you want them to say to do or today or whatever. Customize your template that way. That's one cool thing I love about these templates, is that you can, you know, do whatever you want to do with them. I've also included a couple different sizes of boxes. So this box that I have here, it is a longer box, and so it's kind of got the proportions of a standard vertical box. So it's a little bit longer than it is wider. And I've also included boxes that are square-ish, I believe, so they will fit fully in your monthly layout. So if you don't like the long look, there are 4 shorter square boxes. If you do like the long look of your full boxes, there are 4 full boxes that are long. And the reason I included both of those is, one, because I wanted to make a template that was compatible with both the the weekly and the monthly, but also I know that this is sort of a compressed version here. So this layout is kind of a compressed version of, you know, your vertical layout. So you may not want to use stickers that take up a lot of room. So you may not want to use the longer full boxes. I cannot get this sticker down straight to save my life. And then I realized that this is like a split box, and I should have put it between between 2 boxes that were together instead of putting it over the spine here. And I just was not paying attention when I was laying down boxes. I prefer the look of the vertical, I guess, I don't know, the longer full box stickers on a layout. That's just how I really like that proportion. So I made it a point to keep that sort of proportion so that things kind of would look similar to what, you know, we might be used to. You also get this like extra skinny piece of washi, mainly because I needed to fill up the sheet, but you could use it to mark like something over a couple of days, over, you know, if you have an appointment that's going to last a couple of hours, you can use that in your spread to mark that. And then here's another strip of washi that you have in this kit that you could use to mark something like a vacation or whatever you want to do. And here I am showing you again that the appointment boxes and stuff are going to fit, and the bill due boxes are going to fit in your monthly layout as well as your weekly layout. They can fit up above under your date. That's the other thing. If you have something like a bill that needs to be due, you can put it under the date if you're not going to pay it at a certain time, etc. You can also, the what is it called? Like the dates go really, not the dates, the times, the times that are outlined on the side go from like 5 in the morning to like 3 the next morning. So there's a lot of area for you to cover up with washi or to create you know, a sort of a customized layout. Let's say you only really need a time chunk from like 8 to 6. Then you can cover up, you know, 5 and 6 in the morning, and then 6 p.m. and onward on the bottom with your stickers and your washi and whatnot. And we've got some heart checklists. Again, I kind of kept the proportions of, you know, a standard vertical type of layout so that it's just shrunk, but the proportions are the same. I'm putting another full box in the sidebar here just to show you how those shorter squatter full boxes will look. What the issue we run into is that some of the calendars, or most of them, all of them, the calendars on the side under the month and the week there, where I'm putting those habit boxes, you can see where the red week of the month has been circled, so it doesn't cover that up all the way. Putting putting quarter boxes in the sidebar, putting appointment boxes in, you know, the different sections. A lot of these boxes fit perfectly. Like I think that box I just put down fits good over 2 of the grid boxes. This box I just put down there fits over, you know, 3 or 4 or whatnot. So you can use those to mark the length of appointments. You can use them to just mark whatever you want to do. It doesn't have to be the length of an appointment. So I tried to give you guys variety on sizes as well. That way you didn't feel like, oh, I have too many of these boxes, too few of these boxes. you're going to get 8 of the heart checklist, and that's going to, be great for using one a day and then one on the sidebar if you want to, or spacing them out. Usually what I do most of the time, I'll put like at least 5, because my other standard vertical kit has 7 in it. So I'll put like 5 throughout the week and then maybe 2 on the sidebar or something like that. And here I am scattering in one of those little squat boxes and just showing you how they fit and how they look. You can even do some layering like we like to do in our happy planners and stuff. So yeah, this kit is completely versatile. You can see I'm using like a lot of stuff from this kit. So you can use it in your weekly, you can use it in your monthly. Yeah, I'm really excited that I was able to figure this out for you guys, and that I was able to do it so quickly, and the measurements came out perfectly, on the first try. I'm not even gonna change anything here. I think it comes out, everything evens out perfectly. I'm not sure what I'm looking for here. I think I'm saying you could put this washi tape over the dates or something, and then, customize it. Yeah, so you can, I mentioned that in the beginning, but I'm showing you here. You could write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on your washi tape before you print it out. You could customize it in Cricut Design Space or Silhouette Studio or whatever you want to do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I will leave related links down below so you can find this template and get to sticker making for your Hobonichi cousin. I will talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.